at some point you're going to have to get rid of that checklist. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. At some point you're going to have to realize that you're not perfect, nobody's perfect, she's not perfect, you're not perfect, and the world still rotates. You can't have a list full of things you expect from people. You can't have a list of everything you want your partner to have, from the way they look to how much money they earn to how tall they are to their character. You are not building a person. No one is built that way. People come with flaws and will make mistakes. You're going to make mistakes as well. So at some point you're going to realize you're never going to have a perfect relationship. You're never going to have the perfect set of friends. You're never going to have a perfect business or whatever it is. It's important to realize to get rid of that checklist, because without those high expectations you're never going to do anything. You're never going to meet anyone. You're never going to succeed. People make mistakes. People have such unrealistic expectations of what they want out of a partner, and then when they take a look at themselves, they can't even provide half of those things on the list. So how can you expect someone to give you everything when you have nothing to give them, or when you have nothing to offer, when you bring nothing to the table? So it's important to make sure that you're getting rid of the checklist. Your life is not a checklist. You can't live life trying to tick off boxes, trying to say, well, I'm not going to date this person because they're not 6 feet tall. So what if they have great sense of humor, if they're great character, if they treat you well? At that point, what does the hype bring to you other than just a superficial thing? But what can that do? At the end of the day, what's important is someone's character. What they do when things aren't going so well, how they react when people aren't treating them well, how they react to when you're going through a difficult time. How do they make you smile and make you happy? The minute you see them, how do you feel? You have to really put things in perspective and get rid of those unrealistic checklists, get rid of those unrealistic timelines of when you should have done everything, or of what someone should be able to provide before you even think twice. At that point you're just being judgmental. Give people the opportunity, benefit of doubt, get to know them for who they really are before you present that checklist. It's just unrealistic. People make mistakes. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is also about making sure that you understand that people will make mistakes, but the important thing is how they deal with those mistakes, how they deal with those flaws. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.